If your car has higher ground clearance, then you probably need a decent running board along with a few other accessories to increase the safety standards of your vehicle as well as make it easier to access for everyone. A high-quality running board will not only offer a safe footing for older folks and kids to allow easier entry to the car but also protect your door from external impact and keep the lower portion safe from impact when you are driving on a rather dusty road. So, you should look into getting a compatible running board installed on your vehicle. But the only problem you'll face while purchasing a running board is which one to pick. There are too many manufacturers in the market. I compiled this list based on my own research, and I ranked them according to price, quality, durability, and much more. For further information and updated price, you can check the link in description box below. So, let's get started. Starting at Tiger running boards. If you think compatibility might be a problem in your case, you should go with a popular running board option for your car that thousands of car owners are already using. Therefore, we are bringing this option from Tiger Auto to our picks. When it comes to car accessories, there are only a few options like the Tiger Auto running board that are preferred by thousands of buyers. The Tiger Auto running board is designed for a wide range of cars, including Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra, Silverado, crew cabs, and many other popular models, and it is also made up of alloy steel for better build quality. The Tiger Auto running board is constructed using an oval tube pipe with around 3.5 inches of surface for sure footing. The entire body of the Tiger Auto running board is basically a seamless pipe so that you won't find any weaker points on its periphery. Even the installation of the Tiger Auto running board is quite easy and does not require you to drill holes. It can be easily fitted on compatible vehicles using the bolt-on installation method. Now our second option is Canova 6-inch running boards. Canova Autopart is also a brand that only deals with essential vehicle accessories such as a running board. Canova Autopart supplies compatible accessories for Chevy, Ford, Toyota, Dodge, and many other popular car manufacturers. This is a rather special option on our list since it is probably the most reliable option you will find today. Even though it is a relatively cheaper option, the Canova Autopart running board offers about 500 pounds weight capacity, making it one of the strongest choices on the market. And with stainless steel construction, it weighs just short of 50 pounds. Apart from the heavy-duty steel construction, the Canova Autopart running board also features anti-slip covering on top for the entire 6 inches of footing area. The high weight carrying capacity is admirable, especially since it does not require any holes on the chassis for installation. The new and innovative design of the Canova Autopart running board allows you to adjust its position as per your comfort. Now number 3 is Yita Motor 6-inch running boards. Compatibility of a running board is usually an issue with super crew cab vehicle models. Therefore, we are bringing this option on our list from Yita Motor, which is specifically designed for super crew cab models. The Yita Motor running board is the best solution for you if you own a super crew cab car model. This model is best fit for Ford F-150, Ford F-250, or Ford F-350 models. It also installs easily on the car using a bolt-on design, avoiding any unnecessary permanent changes in the chassis. So, you can get the Yita Motor running board installed within an hour. The Yita Motor running board is made up of a combination of aluminum and ABS material to offer great strength, lightweight design, and a secure grip on the top. With that, you will get about 450 pounds weight capacity on this running board. The aluminum used for the construction for Yita Motor running board is pre-treated to avoid rust and corrosion problems completely, and the single-piece design of the board ensures its strength and reliability. Our next choice is Autosaver 88 6-inch running boards. Autosaver 88 is also a great choice of brand if you are looking for an affordable range of vehicle accessories such as headlights, tail lights, towing mirrors, etc. It also has an affordable running board that you should check out. The Autosaver 88 running board is yet another affordable option from our selection of the best running boards on the market. This running board is a special option since it is made up of heavy-duty ABS plastic that is coating the aluminum alloy body. As a result, this becomes one of the most lightweight running boards, weighing only 33.4 pounds. Still, it offers a weight capacity of about 450 pounds, which is higher than many other premium choices. As for compatibility, the Autosaver 88 running board is the right fit for Jeep Wrangler 2018 to 2023 models. As it is completely coated by ABS, there are no chances of environmental problems like rust or corrosion. Autosaver 88 also includes a comprehensive instructions manual along with a board to help you with the installation. Now our last choice is Online 7-inch running boards. As running boards are also used as an aesthetic accessory, a lot of buyers look for a good design on the running board. Therefore, we are putting this option from Online on this list. The Online Clutch running board is one of the unique running boards that we have selected for this list. It is a custom-fit model specifically designed for Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra, and other crew cab car models, along with the alloy steel construction. These boards also have a powder-coated top surface for added protection. You will also notice a slotted pattern on the board to offer added grip on the footing area. Though it is a comparatively premium choice, the Online Clutch running board is still one of the strong choices on this list, offering weight carrying capacity of up to 500 pounds. And for that, Online is offering a lifetime warranty period on the CR 30110 clutch running board. The 3-layer design of these running boards surely offers a great set of benefits, but with the drawback of a heavier design. It's my pleasure to share this video with you. I hope you enjoyed this honest review based on real customer feedback and hours of research. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this content helpful. Hit the bell icon to get a notification as soon as I publish more videos. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions regarding these products. I will be in touch with you as soon as possible.